So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have two very special guests with us today. We have Coach Jaina and we have Somnath Jadhav. Somnath Jadhav is from Satara, Maharashtra. He is 44. And I was informed just before this call that Somnath was suffering from fatty liver, leg pain, joint pain, low energy, acidity, digestion issues since January 2023, stress, anxiety, sleep disorder, and he had depression from 2 years. And he was eating multiple medicines. So now let's come directly to Somnath and let's ask him how has been his journey in the gold membership and how has been his improvement. So over to you, Somnath.
Good evening, all, and hello, everyone. I am Somnath from Satara, Maharashtra. First of all, I would like to thank you, Jaina ma'am, Vishal ji, and Go Nature team for giving this opportunity to share my experience and journey with Go Nature. My journey with Go Nature is amazing and wonderful. एक्चुअली जैसे विशाल जी ने मेंशन किया कि जो भी मेरे हेल्थ इशू थे, स्ट्रेस था, एंजाइटी था, तो मैं एलोपैथी, होम्योपैथी, उसके बाद आयुर्वेदा सब ट्राई किया। तो उसके बाद मुझे गो नेचर के बारे में पता चला। देन मैंने एक्चुअली मेरा ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह बहुत होता था, तो उसकी वजह से बाहर खाना या जो भी सेहत का केयर नहीं करते थे, तो उसकी वजह से हेल्थ इशू वगैरह हुए थे। तो इसलिए मैंने सब एलोपैथी वगैरह वो सब ट्राई कर रहा था, लेकिन कुछ रिजल्ट चाहे जैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे। देन आई अटेंडेड गो नेचर वर्कशॉप, देन आई टुक सिल्वर मेंबरशिप, then it was eye opener for me. Then I took gold membership and went for personal consultation. My coach was Jaina ma'am. She is very helpful and supportive and caring. और जब से उनके साथ पर्सनल कंसल्टेशन स्टार्ट किया, तो विद इन 1 वीक मुझे रिजल्ट मिलना शुरू हो गया। जो भी पेन्स वगैरह थे वो कम होना शुरू हुआ, और उन्होंने मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट किया, इनकरेज किया, और मतलब जो भी डाइट प्लान वगैरह था या शेड्यूल था वो बहुत फॉलोअप करती थी। तो वो फॉलोअप की वजह से मैं ट्रैवलिंग करने के बावजूद भी वो कर पाया। तो उनको मैं तहे दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ। और मतलब ये भी जो भी ये 3 महीने का एक्सपीरियंस था, उसके बाद अभी जो भी मेरे इश्यू थे लगभग खत्म हुए हैं, और मेडिसिन भी अभी मैं कोई नहीं ले रहा हूँ। थैंक यू।
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Somnath, for putting all the insights and showing exactly how it worked for you. So I'll come to Coach Jaina Reshamwala, and how has been your journey, Jaina, with Somnath. So over to you, Jaina.
Good evening, everyone, and such thank you, Somnath, for coming for this Hall of Fame today. Even though you are traveling, उनके लिए आज बहुत मुश्किल था, but मैंने बोला आज आ जाओ because he has been promising since last 3 weeks, but today he really made it. So thank you for that, Somnath. Your kind words really mean a lot to me, and thank you, Vishal, for always giving us this opportunity and your everlasting support. So it was really great working with Somnath, as he's a very cool person, very, very down to earth, and he has experienced a lot of ups and downs in his personal life. काफी mishappenings भी हुई है, and both his parents, mother and father, they had critical diseases, and he has seen them suffering so much. So when he had his health issues, he tried, like as he said, he tried allopathy medicines, he tried supplements, did homeopathy, Ayurveda, but finally when he attended your webinar, then he decided that I want to go completely with naturopathy. And he told me in our first meeting that his goal is to live a disease-free life without any medication.
Wow.
And he doesn't want to suffer. He was very clear, he was very much aware of the side effects of the medicine, and he really decided to work on his health. बोले जना मैं ओल्ड हो जाऊँ ना, मुझे ये बीमारियों के साथ जीना नहीं है, So मुझे इसमें से बाहर ही निकलना है कैसे भी करके, and I don't want my family members also to suffer and others also to suffer. So he's very dedicated, very committed, and hats off to him. He does a lot of traveling, Vishal. He is almost like 3 to 4 days he is out, and still he is managing to follow the protocol, the diet, the therapies which I give him. मैं पीछे पड़ी रहती हूँ, and he comes, phone पे आते हैं या जब भी meeting में, yes, I'm trying to do. So I feel really happy, and I'm so happy that I saw him experience how naturopathy works, and he's always in receiving mode, and always, like ready to change for the better. So that is his open mindset that has really helped him to come so far. And if time permits, he also wants to become a naturopath himself.
Wow. Yes, why not?
Yeah, and he's in still double minded because he's very busy, keeps on traveling, so he wants to join Diamond also maybe, but still has not yet taken the decision. And he wants to help others live a disease-free life. So I'm feeling happy, Somnath, to be a part of your health journey. And as a coach, I feel that your testimonials means that your success is in achieving your health goals. You have achieved your health goals, and for me, it is a great reward for me. So thank you for trusting in Go Nature, trusting me. So that's all. Thank you. Stay happy, healthy, and blessed. Always.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jaina. Thank you so much, Somnath, and more power to you, both of you. And Somnath, it's a big life. It's a long life. You have to promise us to be happy, healthy always, and no diseases. And if you have thought to become a nutritionist or a naturopath, you will become. It does not matter when, but if you have that thing in your mind, trust me, you just have to manifest, and one day you will become. Right? Thank you.